Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Sarah Gravil. She's a case manager with Green Leaves ADHC. Now, Sarah, can you tell us about Green Leaves and the services you all offer?
Yeah, so at Green Leaves, we work with the population who are 65 and older, who meet Medicaid requirements and have a physical health disability. And we help to get them um, signed up and applied for the home and community-based waiver through Medicaid, which is a waiver that was created to keep people 65 and older in their homes instead of having to go to a nursing facility of some sort. And so it helps provide in-home caregiving. The participants also have the option to go to an adult day health center if they desire that. They have meal deliveries, incontinence supply deliveries, and some other things that we can get them in their homes to make living in their homes more feasible for a longer amount of time.
Sarah, what if someone is watching and they're unsure if they would qualify for the program?
Anybody is more than welcome to give me a call and I can explain to them and even meet with them one-on-one for a short, brief amount of time to kind of see, hey, what are the things that you're struggling with? What are some of your diagnosis? And then can help them go from there on
From
what's the
there.
best solution.
Okay, Sarah. So if someone does qualify and they want to sign up, how do they access the program?
It's a phone call and email to me. I help you apply. I submit your application to Medicaid. It's kind of a process from there that I explain more. But once you get approved, you then have to have a case manager, which there are a couple different case management companies in Bowling Green. We give them the option, but that is something that I do, and that Green Leaves does. And then the case manager helps you start assessing for services.
Okay. And so once they're signed up, they can expect caregiving, incontinence supplies, meal deliveries, and other services that they may need. Now, Sarah, you are actually going to be doing a come and go workshop at the Warren County Cooperative Extension Office on Tuesday, September 17th at 1 o'clock p.m. Sarah, who can come to this workshop and what can they expect?
Yeah, I'm really excited about the workshop. I'm really excited to hopefully have some individuals one-on-one come in so I can talk to them. Like I just said a few minutes ago, that idea of really talking with someone and getting an idea of what they have going on, if they'd be a right fit for the program. At the workshop, I just really want to get to talking with individuals, see if they would fit kind of that description. And then it's a super easy application process, honestly. They have to fill out their name and their address, and we will do the rest. I'll get some other information from them, and then I'll take it from there.
So if someone possibly has a loved one who is 65 and older, who are Medicaid eligible and have a physical health disability, they could even bring that loved one with them and they could come sit with you, see if they qualify or if the actual individual wants to see if they qualify. This would be a great time for them to simply come and see if this is something that would work for them. So, Sarah, we're very excited to have you come on Tuesday, September 17th at 1 o'clock p.m. Anyone is welcome to come for this come and go workshop with Sarah at the Warren County Cooperative Extension Office. You can come sit with Sarah, see if you qualify for this community-based waiver program. So if you can't make it to the workshop, but you would like to contact Sarah, Sarah, what is your email and the best way for them to contact you?
Yeah, it's S Gravil, so that's GRAV as in Victor IL at greenleavsadhc.com.
Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.